Wow, Tulin eating dry fish. Masarap? What? Masarap, Tulin?
Yes.
Come on, hey, Naya. I will try to teach them. Naya, she is starting to eat. Look. Yala, Naya. Yala,
She look
Nayusha.
a fish.
Wow. Wow, Nayusha. Oh. Yummy? Yum, yum? Yum, yum, Nayusha. We are eating fried rice. Yes, fried rice. And tuyo.
Tuyo?
Tuyo, yes. Masarap tuyo. Yes. Then the fried rice. Because she's Filipina. Filipino siya Urduni. Oh, yummy. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.